Hello, YouTube friends. I'm Maria Antonia and I'm from Brazil. I love two things, teeny fabric scraps and the English language. So I thought, why not put these two things together? I work with fabric scraps, especially crumb quilting, and I also love learning English. So I decided to start the English YouTube channel. This is my first video in English, so please be patient with me. I need practice, and I believe my English will get better and better over time. But patchwork is a language that we all understand. Today, I want to show you one of my favorite techniques, crumb quilting. Some time ago, I watched a video by an American woman. She taught a sewing technique called crumb quilting. The technique is wonderful. I love it. It's easy, relaxing, and perfect for using teeny fabric scraps. After that, my sewing life changed. Now, whenever I need some time for myself, I sew crumb blocks. It is slow sewing. You cannot rush it. You need to enjoy the process. And today, I would like to share this technique with you. Let's learn together. I have a lot of fabric scraps and some fabric strips. First, place one fabric strip on your sewing machine with the right side facing up. Then take a comb, place it right side together and sew. Sew a little. Sew, sew. Sew. And have fun. Sew, sew, sew. And have fun. I have it. Oh, a little. Yes, I need. I need a little scrap. When you finish, press the seams with an iron. Then trim the pieces one by one. If the edge is straight, trim it straight. Like this. If the edge has an angle, follow the angle when trimming. Straight, straight. straight, straight, and angle. An angle, have an angle. Ta-da! 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 Now we have some large crumb pieces. You can sew one crumb piece to another crumb piece, or you can sew a crumb piece to other fabric strip. I usually keep adding strips until my blocks become bigger. Then I save them for future projects. Now I press the seams with an iron. Trimming, trimming. I keep on doing it for as long as I want. I put them in a box, and whenever I need one, I just take it out and use it. Do you like this technique? Do you like curb quilting? I love it. Thank you for watching. I'm very happy you are here with me. And remember, don't throw away your tiny scraps. See you later.